bottles. Chanel bottles. How could you? The consumerism taken to a different level, folks. This is where the waste, completely a waste of resources, money, labor. Just imagine the cost of this. Putting up just for Christmas. The cost of erecting this, the labor cost, the material cost, producing this whole facade. Still haven't got the still don't have the understanding, right? The COP26, where is it? Where is the consumerism gone? Consumerism and environment, these two, that doesn't go together, right? And consumerism and what is it? Consumerism and doesn't go together, does it? There you go, Harrods windows. Harrods window. Witness a spectacular, it says. Witness a spectacular. Witness a spectacular. It's all that wasted effort, right? Just for 6 weeks. Glenfiddich.